said.
I'm slouching like a pig.
Okay, so Laura, how was your experience where as soon as you arrived to Bucaramanga? How did you adapt to this city?
Okay, finding my way around was very different to England. In England we have streets and roads, but they have names, they don't have numbers. Here in Bucaramanga, in Colombia, you have numbers. So it was very different to what I was used to. It was actually easier for me. I was expecting it to be difficult, but it was actually quite easy because you just have to get the address, and it will be this number road with this number street, and that's very easy because they're all numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 19, 20, 21, 22. So it's easy to figure out where you're going, but very different than what I'm used to.
And for example, have you ever had any problem, any trouble to find an address, and you had to ask someone to help you?
I haven't really had any problems finding an address, because it's so easy with the numbers. You just see this number, and you look on the map, or you use Google Maps, and you put it in, and it shows you where it is. The only problem is when you're on the street and you have the number of the building, and you're walking up and down the street trying to find the number of the buildings, because sometimes that doesn't seem to make any logical sense. And you're like, this number over here is number 17, and then the other side of the road is number 62, and you're thinking, how can this be 17 and that's 62? They should be more like that far away, not opposite each other. So you can spend some time walking up and down trying to find the actual building. But no, I didn't really have any problems. I didn't have to really ask anybody.
And do you think that if you had to ask someone for a direction, you think that a Colombian could help you?
I think so. If I had to do it in English, possibly not. But if I was doing it in Spanish, yes, I think I would be okay. As long as they stuck to simple things like, it's 2 blocks, it's 4 blocks, it's 5 blocks, so you need to go to number 33 with 22. Things like that are easy. Turn left, turn right. But if they started saying, oh, it's near this place, it's near this building, it's near this shop, and because you don't know the name of the building, you don't know the name of the shop, that doesn't help you. And then it's back to something very similar to the English system, where unless you know where the roads and the streets are and their names and where the buildings are, you're lost.
But Colombian people are recognized around the world to be very helpful people.
They are very helpful. Anything I've had to ask for on the street, not directions, but anything else I've had to ask for, they're really, really helpful. Really super helpful. People will even stop what they're doing and they will take you. They will actually walk with you and say, and they will stop everything and go with you to the place, or say, I will come with you, I will take you, or no problem. That doesn't happen in England very much.
And what do you think, why do you think that if you ask them in English, they won't help you?
I don't think it's that they won't help me. I think it's because English is not as widely spoken for them to be able to understand, and then to be able to say, okay, you need to do this, do that. It's just vocabulary. They don't necessarily have the words for street, road, turn, left, right, go straight ahead, and maybe the numbers. Maybe the numbers they don't have it. Some people do, and it's like, oh great, you can say it in English, that's helpful. But some people don't speak any English, and it's difficult. But there's more people here that speak English than people in England that speak Castellano. So it's great for me.
Thank you, Laura, for your experience. And now let's take a shot and smile because it's free.